Welcome to my channel Lift Yourself Up. I am Hira. In today's video I am going to tell you how to refill your brush pens. So this is my brush pen. First I'll show you how it is working. You can see here the ink is completely dried off. Now let's fill the ink in this brush pen. First we will need to open this cap and we will take the refill out of the pen so that we can fill the ink easily. I will take out the refill because I want to show you clearly. Now first let me open the bottle. You can see black ink. We will fill ink in a dropper. You can use any black ink. Now let's fill a dropper. Now drop we have to fill the ink. That's the refill absorbing ink. Fill 9 to 10 drops. It's enough. You can also see the bubbles. So this is the easiest way to refill your brush pen. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It will cost you nothing, but it helped me to create more videos like this. Now we will put the refill inside the brush pen. Hold your pen upside down for a while so the ink can flow down. Now we have to put the cap on our pen like this. Now let's check how it is working. Let's check one more time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please drop down in the comment section.